I have a professional mixer uh, for recording, but then I have to send it to the studio after to mix it down. But
Right.
I already got like a few songs recorded, but then I don't have I don't know what but to send it to get it mixed and get fixed up.
Right, right. You have any
Yeah, because
contacts there in the island, or you want to work with
no,
somebody in the states
yeah, because there ain't no one here, brother. There's no one here like for me to um take it
to do
to.
it
I can
professionally?
record it. Yeah, I can record it because I'm doing track. I'm doing six track. I'm doing bass, kick, snare, hi hat, and accompaniment, and everything separated.
I see, I see.
So
Man, I could
so I
find
need
somebody here, brother. We could find somebody here in
yeah
Los Angeles, New York. We have plenty of